That's understood, huh?
Oh, isn't that cute?
I like that.
That is nice. Who gave you that?
She's actually getting...
That is nice.
It's amazing they reach that age and they realize they need different clothes.
Okay.
So we're looking through the store.
Why don't you go ahead and open all of them while we're sitting here?
Those are the shorts I was looking at, shorts like that. All different kinds of shorts. I said, I can't believe she's going to be wearing these in a couple of years. Diane said, why? I said, thanks.
Over here. I'm going to put all the stuff I got for my birthday, guys.
Go ahead and open the rest of them.
Do it.
You want to do this stuff?
I thought she was bigger. She's been 6X for a while. And I told Patty, yeah, we're going to have to keep an ey on her because she's right at that point where...
She's doing her shooting up. She's at one of them stages now where she's going straight up.
I got spots all over my ass from that grill.
I know you opened a lot quicker than that at Christmas morning.
Hey, how...